Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. In this video, I show you how to draw and color Zuma from Paw Patrol. Let's start drawing, starting with Zuma's nose. Then I draw his smiling mouth. Draw his face. I continue with his two eyes. Now I'm going to draw his hat. And his ears. Next, I draw Zuma's body. I draw his necklace with a badge. Then, I draw his suit and his legs. On his back, I draw a backpack. Now I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's coloring together. Black, gray, I use yellow to paint his cute eyes. Then I color his hat orange. And dark blue. Orange for his suit too. I use dark blue to paint his necklace. Zuma has brown fur, so I use brown to paint his fur. Red. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.